How to create a trust wallet account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video we are going to be learning how we can create a trust wallet account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a trust wallet account, all you have to do is first of all download and then update the trust wallet app to the latest version. And once you have done that, I'm going to open it up and then we're going to move on to the account creation process. So over here, if you already do have an account, you can find the option called I already have a wallet at the bottom. You can simply enter your secret phrase over here and then simply log into your account. But if you don't, then you have to tap on the option called create a new wallet. It'll ask you to choose a passcode, so I'll also just go ahead and basically choose a passcode over here, and then I'll just confirm it again. Once I choose my passcode and then basically confirm it again, it'll ask me to authenticate. So right over here it says you to back up your wallet now, so just agree to these terms and conditions that says you do not want to lose your wallet and its secret phrase, right? So just hit the continue button after that. So right over here you can see your secret phrase, which means that write down or copy these words in the right order and save them somewhere else. So the problem here is that you should not share this secret codes with anyone. If someone has a secret codes with and all of this secret phrase, they will be able to log into your trust wallet account. In my case, I'm only sharing it because I'm not really going to be using this account, right? So once you make sure that you have copied all of this, you have to just go to the continue button right over here. Once you hit continue right over here, you have to verify the secret phrase by selecting them in order again. So just go ahead and then select them in order, as in this case you can see. Once you basically select them in order, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then finish creating your trust wallet account. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then finish creating a trust wallet account. You have to simply enter the secret phrase right in this order which you see. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.